Good morning, dear students. In lesson number 8, famed cathedrals. A cathedral is a very large, usually stone buildings of Christian worship. It is the largest and the most important church of the diocese, a district under the care of the Christian bishops. There are many beautiful cathedrals all over the world. Let us learn about some of them. A cathedral is a very large. There are many beautiful buildings that in photo on the page number 14 you can go through your book. Now the first one is Notre Dame de Paris, uh, widely considered as one of the finest example of the French Gothic architecture in France and in Europe, and the nationalism of its sculpture and stained glass are in contrast with earlier Romanesque architecture. It was among the first buildings in the world to use the flying buttress arched exterior supports. The second one is Nidaros Cathedrals. Nidaros Cathedrals was built around 1300. It is an example of Romanesque and Gothic style cathedral. It is the largest cathedral in Norway and is regarded both as national shrine and as chronic church. Santa Maria del Fiore. The dimension of Santa Maria del Fiore, the Cathedral of Florence, are enormous: 502 feet long, 124 feet wide, and 295 feet at the crossings. The height of arcs in the aces is an amazing 75 feet, and height from the prevenient to the opening of the lantern in the dome is almost 295 feet tall. Cathedral Notre Dame de Cathedrals. The majority of Origen's stained glass windows of cathedrals Notre Dame de Cristals, France, survive intact, while the architecture has only been minor changes since the early 13th century. It is considered as one of the finest examples of the French High Catholic style. Santiago de Compostela Cathedral, Spain, is the mixture of Romanesque, Baroque, and Catholic, and was built between 1075 and 1211. It is the reputed burial palace of Saint James and Greater, one of the apostles of Jesus Christ. Winchester Cathedral. Winchester Cathedral at Winchester in Hampshire is one of the largest cathedrals in England, with the longest nave and overall length of any Catholic cathedral in Europe. Jane Austen is buried here in the northern aisle of nave, but gravestone marker does not list her as an author since most of her work was published after she died. Saint Vasilis Cathedral. Saint Vasilis Cathedral is a Russian Orthodox church erected on the Red Square in Moscow in 1555 and 1561. The building design is shaped as a flame of bonfire rising into the sky. The real name of the cathedral is the Cathedral of Protection of Most Holy, the strokes on the moat, and not just Saint Basilis. Cathedral Church of St. Peter's and St. Paul's, Washington, D.C., USA is of Neo-Catholic design. It is the sixth largest cathedral in the world and the second largest in the United States. Hallgrímskirkja Cathedral is a cathedral in Iceland capital city of Reykjavik. This towering ultra-modern takes on a church is eye-catching. Its construction started in 1945 and ended in 1986. That's all for today, students. All these cathedrals are given. In this, no exercise is given. You will not write anything in your copy. Only you have to go through the lesson. You will study the photos and you have to learn these names. Thank you.